This property is 1160 Roach Hollow Road, Ringgold, Georgia. It is 2.7 acres and it has approximately 800 square foot workshop on it. And it does have creek frontage on South Chickamauga Creek that is down a pretty steep incline down to the creek, but it is flat once it gets down to the water. You do have a water meter that's been installed. It has not been run to the building yet, but it's just a water hose hookup now, but you do have city water here. It does have an AC unit. It's not been used in a long time, so it will probably need some work. It's approximately 700 to 800 square feet in here. It does have electrical panel. You do have headers put in for additional doors or windows here if you wanted to add doors on the road facing side of the building. You do have electrical. We got 8 different spots left on the electrical. And you also have another side over here that's used as storage. This is not insulated on this side, but it does have heat and air run over here. And the price of the building is $119,000.